Hi folks, I have a nifty little idea. I don't know why it took me so long to think of this, but in using my bandsaw, I like to hook my shop vac up to the sawdust vent on the bottom to keep the stuff from flying all over the place. And what I found myself doing is turning the saw on and then walking over here and flipping the switch to the vacuum on, and then coming back here, doing my cutting job, turning off the saw, and then coming back over here and flipping off the vac. What I found that's much easier for me, the particular saw I have here, a Rikon, it actually has an outlet right here. If you didn't have an outlet, you certainly have an outlet near you on the wall. And you can buy this little thing here, it's a plug and it has a switch on it. So what I can do now is I can turn on my saw and then flip this switch. Vacuum goes on and off when I want to, and I don't move from my workstation at all. And the greatest thing about it is it's a cheap fix. If I come over here and pull this out and show you, I got this at Home Depot and I think it was somewhere around $3.50, $4. But here's all we're talking about. It's a 3-prong, so it's grounded. It has a 3-prong outlet on it, and around the side it has an on-off switch. This thing is a jewel. You can use it in a lot of different ways to prevent walking around in your shop. I hope this gives you a great idea on something you can use. Have a great day. Bye-bye.